Okay, so changing the date and time on a Airwave VARI-Speed. It's on all models. Go to menu, date, touch the first one, ask for a password. Password is 1618, enter, then confirm. We've got 06 hours, 49 minutes, 17 seconds, 2021, month is 10th and 14th. So we need to change it. So the current time is 8 o'clock. We go 08, enter. Minutes are correct, don't have to worry about seconds. You can change the year. The year is 2022, enter. Currently it is the 11th month, enter. And we have all the dates and times correct. Return. You need to do this before you set up this 7-day timer. So obviously you've got all the correct dates on it.